Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Xero with AI for expense categorization and reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard where you typically manage your expenses. Locate the expense report section on the dashboard. Select the option to manage or import new expenses. Before proceeding, ensure you have an AI tool ready for expense categorization. Open the AI tool, whether it's an add-on or a standalone application. Upload your expense data in a compatible format, such as CSV or Excel. Review the data to confirm all necessary fields are included. Initiate the AI categorization process within the tool. Allow the AI to analyze the data and assign categories based on learned patterns. Once categorization is complete, review the suggested categories for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure expenses are correctly classified. Export the categorized expense data from the AI tool. Return to Xero and locate the import function for expenses. Upload the newly categorized expense data to Xero. Confirm the import and monitor for any errors or discrepancies. Navigate to the reporting feature within Xero. Select the report type that best matches your needs, such as expense reports or financial summaries. Customize the report parameters to reflect the timeframe and categories of interest. Generate the report and review the results for accuracy and completeness. Make any final adjustments to your expense entries if needed. Save or export the report in your desired format for sharing or record keeping. Regularly revisit the AI tool to improve categorization accuracy with ongoing learning. Stay updated on enhancements in both Xero and your chosen AI tool for future efficiencies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.